So this is the first gate to go to Tadoba, and when you talk about entry from Chandrapur, the first gate would be the Padmapur one. All what you need to do is that you need to go and register for your respective vehicle. There will be the entry fee for the 100 rupees to go to the Tadoba core or buffer zone main gate, and this is the first one. Rough cut it should be like 7 kilometers from Chandrapur, and from this gate the main entry for Tadoba would be approx 20 kilometers. So this is the first starting point for any of the tourists coming from the Chandrapur to Mohurli. So this would be the first one. So guys, during the Corona period, the online booking for the Tadoba has been stopped. So all you need to do, you need to come to the Padmapur gate and registered as offline booking. This will be spot booking. From morning 5:30 to 9, there would be one booking time, and from 2:30 to 5:30 there would be second booking time. So all you need to do, you need to come here, you need to book on spot, you need to pay 1000 rupees here as a one-time registration fee, and for the gypsy there would be the fees of 2200 which will be paid at Padmapur or Devada or the other gates as well. The lens camera, you need to pay 250 rupees extra because it is a one-time registration for all the electronic equipment. Remember, you should not carry your mobile phones to the core or buffer zone. As per the mandate from the forest department, you cannot carry mobile phone. So don't forget to keep your mobile phone off to your vehicle or your room because of the safety reasons in the past. We have banned the mobile in Tadoba buffer and core region. As you know, we have started from the Padmapur gate. This is basically the start of the forest from here. The central India has quite dense forest, and Tadoba is one of them. The corridor has been spread wide across, starting from the Chhattisgarh to Andhra border to end up to the MP. And it won't be exaggerating to say. So this is you might know about Kana Kisri and all. Those tiger reserve forests are the extended part of the Tadoba, and the total number of tigers in India and maximum of them found in Tadoba. So we are taking you to the gates where the actual gypsy safari will start. There would be at least 14 to 15 gates. But while we are going to the Mohurli side, we will get to know about 2 to 3 gates. That is, one would be Devada, one would be Agarzari, one would be Junona, one would be Mohurli. The Mamla and Bolda is other couple of 2 gates which is linked to the highway, the Chandrapur-Gadchiroli highway. You can go by that road as well. But the convenient perspective, the Mohurli gate is really convenient to travel to the tourist, and you have also good accommodation available in this region. And as you can see, there is a quite dense forest with hardly any visibility from left and right hand side. So if you are traveling in the rainy season, it is highly recommended to go for the spot booking, and you can also get to see most of the species of the plant which you find in the rainy season. In addition with the tiger reserve, Tadoba also has the butterfly garden and the Roro boating in local Tadoba lake. That is one of the attraction of the Tadoba. The butterfly garden has been built 2 years ago, and especially for the different butterfly species. Remember, if you want to go to butterfly garden, it is off on Tuesday. So in between 2 safaris, you will get some time like from 9 AM to 3 PM. You can utilize the timing to go to boating and for butterfly garden as well. So guys, once you do the spot registration on Padmapur gate, here is one window where you need to book for. One is Agarzari and other one is Devada gate. So here you need to pay 2200 for the gypsy and 350 rupees for the guide which you opt for. So these are the mandatory fees that you need to pay for, and it's important to get this fees done with the proper registration. Remember, would not be violating any of the rules of the forest department. Rules are meant to make our life easy. So here we are making the final registration before entering into the buffer zone. So guys, the wait is over. We are starting for the safari. So we got this Gypsy King MG 413W, and we are starting for the safari. All you need to do is that you need to make your mobile phone silent and keep it into the box. The main reason is the safety. Don't forget to keep your mobile in the box. Don't break any rules of the forest, and follow the guidelines from the jeep, the guide. So okay, here we are starting. So guys, we just enter into the main gate and now we are starting for the safari. Sorry, I covered my face because the sun is scorching hot, and this is my usual practice whenever I go out. I covered my face by my so-called dupatta. So here we are starting. We are starting slowly. We are hopeful we will get to see tigress, maybe called W or maybe Madhuri. So here we go. Come on, guys! Yay! So guys, if you see this area, there is an artificial pond built over there, and this area belongs to Lara tigress. So you might heard about the Lara tigress on Discovery Channel and all. And there is a place, there is one protection hut. Can you see that? And you can stay in that protection hut for 1 or 2 nights. The charges would be written on the main gate, but you can book that protection hut and stay for a while. Now we are entering into the area of Lara tigress. So best of luck. Can you see the Indian goat over there? He was lying just on the road. As soon as gypsy came in, he went inside. So he was quite mammoth. He was male Indian goat. So let's hope for the best. Maybe we'll get to see tiger. Can you see that there is a small cub of tiger over there, and he's doing some movement. Yeah. One is small, lying over there, and one is underwater. One is underwater. One is standing and one is sitting. So guys, as you've seen, finally we got to see the two small cubs, which is totally a rare moment for, at least for me, because I haven't seen cubs till now, and those guys also they haven't seen cubs. There were a couple of cubs. Actually, they were crossing the pond, and my gypsy driver suddenly said that no, there is no tiger. But I said that I found them crossing the pond. Then we stop for a while and we get to see a couple of cubs. Actually, they give pretty good pose. I also captured some of the picture. You'll get to see in the vlog. And overall, I never thought during the rainy season, I mean within the month of July or August, it is a mating period for them. We generally do not expect them to see tigers, but I'm very happy today that I get to see them. And hopefully you liked our vlog. Please subscribe to our video as well, and please do visit Tadoba Tiger Reserve once in your lifetime. You will be in love with Tadoba. And till now, stay happy, be safe and enjoy. Thank you. Overall, it was good experience today, and I would like you to request to subscribe to our channel, and please do visit Tadoba once again. Thank you so much. Bye then. I'm taking your leave. Bye bye.